Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to urgently transfer money from your Moka wallet to your bank account? Maybe you had an unexpected expense or wanted to withdraw cash. Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps on how to effortlessly transfer money from Moka to your bank account. Moka, with its convenient digital banking features, has become a popular choice for many people. However, there might be times when you need to access your funds in your traditional bank account. Whether you're dealing with a financial emergency or simply prefer the convenience of physical cash, knowing how to transfer money from Moka to your bank account is essential. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Moka app. The first step is to open your Moka app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with your correct credentials. Navigate to the transfer section. Look for the transfer or send money option within the app. This is usually located on the main dashboard or in the menu section. Select bank account as the recipient. Once you've tapped on the transfer option, you'll be presented with a list of options. Choose bank account as the recipient. Add your bank account details. You'll need to enter your bank account details, including your bank name, account number, and account type. Ensure accuracy to avoid any delays or errors. Enter the transfer amount. Specify the amount of money you want to transfer from your Moka wallet to your bank account. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your Moka account. Confirm the transfer. Before finalizing the transfer, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's bank account details, the transfer amount, and any applicable fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer. Wait for confirmation. After confirming the transfer, you'll typically receive a confirmation message or notification. The transfer processing time may vary depending on your bank and Moka's system. Check your bank account. Once the transfer is complete, check your bank account to verify that the funds have been credited. You may need to wait a few minutes or hours for the transaction to reflect. Additional tips. Security. Always prioritize the security of your Moka account. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Fees. Some banks or Moka may charge fees for transfers. Be aware of any applicable fees and factor them into your transfer calculations. Transfer limits. There might be limits on the amount you can transfer from Moka to your bank account in a single day or within a specific period. Check the terms and conditions of your Moka account for any restrictions. Transferring money from Moka to your bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can easily access your funds whenever you need them. Remember to always prioritize security and be aware of any applicable fees or limits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.